Now, how do we use integration by parts to evaluate this integral here? Well, the formula for integration by parts says the integral of u dv dx is equal to uv minus the integral of v du dx. So what we are going to do here is to look at this part here on the left-hand side and compare it with our integrand here. In other words, we want to see what we can call u and what we are going to call dv dx in this product here. It's a product of x multiplied by sine of x. So one of these guys is going to be u, the other one is going to be dv dx. So which one do we choose? So now I'm going to write it here, let u equal to x. So if u is equal to x, what is du dx? Well, du dx is equal to 1. Now we said x is u, so what is going to be dv dx? dv dx is obviously sine of x. So we can come down here and say dv dx is equal to sine of x. So if dv dx is equal to sine of x, what does that mean? It means v itself is equal to minus cosine of x. So we can now fit it into this part here on the right hand side. So let's rewrite our integral here. Integral of x sine of x with respect to x is equal to uv. We found that we said x is equal to u, so it's x here multiplied by our v. Our v we have found it's minus cosine of x, so minus cosine of x minus the integral of what is our v? Our v again is minus cosine of x, and what is our du dx? Our du dx is equal to 1, so multiplied by 1 with respect to x. Let's simplify. This becomes minus x cosine of x. This minus here, we can bring it out to combine it with this one, and it becomes a plus integral of cosine of x multiplied by 1 is just cosine of x with respect to x. So finally, we simplify this, we integrate this part here to become minus x cosine of x plus sine of x plus a constant.